Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Go to Web Gallery in Lightroom Classic CC. First ensure that you have correctly configured your FTP preset information within the Upload Settings panel as discussed in the earlier lesson in this chapter titled FTP Presets and the Upload Settings panel. After reviewing the settings in this panel, then click the Upload button below the right panel group. If you saved your FTP account's password within your currently selected FTP preset, then the file upload will begin immediately. If you did not do this, then the Enter Password dialog box appears on screen instead. Type the FTP password for the user account associated with the currently selected FTP preset to access the web server, and then click the Upload button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.